Thomas Gainsborough was born May 14, 1727, died August 2, 1788, was an English portrait and landscape painter, draftsman, and printmaker. Along with his rival Sir Joshua Reynolds, he is considered one of the most important British artists of the second half of the 18th century. He painted quickly, and the works of his maturity are characterized by a light palette and easy strokes. Despite being a prolific portrait painter, Gainsborough gained greater satisfaction from his landscapes. He is credited as the originator of the 18th century British landscape school. Gainsborough was a founding member of the Royal Academy. As a boy he demonstrated impressive drawing and painting skills. At the age of 10 he was painting heads and small landscapes, including a miniature self-portrait. Gainsborough left home in 1740 to study art in London, where he trained under engraver Hubert Gravelotte but became associated with William Hogarth in his school. He assisted Francis Hayman in decorating the supper boxes at Vauxhall Gardens. The art historian Michael Rosenthal described Gainsborough as one of the most technically proficient and, at the same time, most experimental artists of his time. He was noted for the speed with which he applied paint, and he worked more from observations of nature than from application of formal academic rules. The poetic sensibility of his paintings caused Constable to say, on looking at them, "We find tears in our eyes and know not what brings them." Gainsborough's enthusiasm for landscapes is shown in the way he merged figures of the portraits with the scenes behind them. His landscapes were often painted at night by candlelight, using a tabletop arrangement of stones, pieces of mirrors, broccoli, and the like as a model. His later work was characterized by a light palette and easy, economical strokes.